Menteri Rangba Kajala Conrad ke sangma uloong babon ki Jingialeh kai ya Khalai ki balajudan nadu menchua kimdan ya license hadu menta bat kalaran kam ban pelong anyo yaki habakran bagilap thai khubor henden gisngi ka afnotir unailur Menteri Rangba Kajala uloong badon kam baha ya ki Jingialeh kai Khalai ki banadu menchua ban pelong anyo yaki ulapen syai hakabaya dei bat ki Jingialeh kai Khalai kabalatip kum ka kasino ka sarkar kalapen sange katba kinong song lani ki kinhun sang balang kitang persya halor kane Menteri Rangba Kajala Conrad ke sangma uloong bahaswa kejungwan jongkaan Jingialeh Gaming Act arajar arpuai sim ladon kinu kikindon lani ki an ki pante lakam ya ki Jingialeh kai ki ba pemi pisam uloong bakani kejungbom don jongki an kapelong yakini ki Jingialeh kai bakin le kat ka bakimon klem don kanu kejungte lakam yakim.
As I mentioned that the act was brought in precisely because there are gaming parlors that are functioning even today without licenses, jackpot parlors and other gamings that are going on. These need to be regulated. Whether we start new ones or not, the old ones need to be regulated. Number two, with these regulations that are coming in, it actually prohibits locals from playing. So it is precisely achieving the objective which everybody is wanting, which is that the youth should be not allowed to be played in these local youth should not be allowed to play. So this is actually exactly achieving what the people or the different organizations have been asking for. Hence, the question of repealing this does not arise because this is an act which is required to regulate the existing games and also regulate the people who are playing in these different areas that are there. The question comes about starting new areas of gaming, which we have clearly mentioned that the government is not going to go ahead with any of that. And only after deep consultation with all stakeholders will we decide on the way forward. So we're very clear on that. And this is an act that has been passed by all the legislatures of in the House. It's an act, and obviously all the MLAs and of the ruling side and everybody was part of this.